Learning, I'm Chisave Entertainment, guys, being a clubber has officially come to an end. And before Ndingene, I just wanted to briefly let you guys know Indoba Uswazi is no longer part of the clubber family. It does seem as though Uye Wamshia ke utata UVJ utata uXaba. So after the end of the show, nansi ke into ebhalwe nguswazi kwi-fans zakhe, two i-fans zakhe uye wathi, thank you guys so much for watching us. It's been a roller coaster ride, but siyabonga mama Yama Bunny and her cubs are signing out. And ke kwakhona this one person oye wa congratulator ethi amazwi owacele kunombuso izolo angithintile bakithi, ubaphe abantwana indlebe nonkosi, you touched my heart, ukhule njalo. And then went on ke emthakazela. Uye wamphendula, first and foremost uye wamphendula wathi, ngiyabonga kakhulu sithandwa sami, angiseyiyo ingxenye yakwaXaba, uhambo lwami nononkosi selufike ekupheleni, you guys, meaning that they are no longer an item. Yeah, understand. So this very reliable source of money ke, and then ke uye wandibhalela wathi, yolokazi, the reason as to why uswazi ebhalela nto is because, okay, let me just read it. Uye wakonfirma intoba she's no longer with uVJ Xaba, as siyasabona ke they're on TikTok, and the reason for that is because uVJ, the husband uDadu Xaba, gave her fraudulent papers saying he is divorced and ex-wife yakhe ekungunkule. Meanwhile, he never divorced her. So you can just imagine, guys, into ebuhlungu kangaka. But once again, guys, awuye ujole nomuntu onabantwana abangaka. Like, what did you expect? Did you expect that you're going to be the exception? Uzobthanda, he's no longer a liar, he's just going to change his way, he's not a manipulator, he's not a narcissist, all of a sudden he's going to change for you? Like, what were your expectations from a man on abantwana abangaka, from so many women, and all the other women ubagile igota? But when are you going to be the exception? So ndiyababona ke abantu online are feeling really sorry for Uswazi, you know, saying that oh yini mntana abantu uhluzekile engqondweni, wawuyaphi endodeni anabantwana abayi-18 to begin with. But that's just me, guys. I don't know, maybe I'm the villain in this story. Maybe Evelyn Dimsana, but like uye wakhuza, and she decided no, and this will. Furthermore, I'm going to once again fall pregnant. Okay. So yeah, that will be the story about Tike Uswazi and the ex-husband yakhe uMr. Xaba. So now, guys, this is ongena ke kuTata uMseleku. After Abongwe graduated, there has been a lot of comparison going on social media. Khona ke i-accounts is different, guys. Kudala ke beba comparisha usne umpilo as well as Abongwe. So this one account says her sisters chose education and she keeps choosing motherhood. One day she'll be jealous of them for achieving more than her. So uDadu Mseleku, I think the reason as to why people felt comfortable ngokubhala lento bayibhale is because even uDadu Mseleku himself uke amhlalise phansi uSine Mseleku azama uthetha naye, telling her that ayikho right indaba yokumane utshintsha ogayi ungamameli, because at the end of the day sisters zakho, siblings zakho, they are going to school, they are going to attain assets, and then wena uzohlale ujealous. But today, for the very first time, siyambona uTata uMseleku nanko ke defender uSine Mseleku we post ke responda kule blog ke ebibhale ngoSine Mseleku. Uye wabhala ke wathi, these are my beautiful children, linye isende, whether graduated or not, but at the end of the day they come from one family, so your comparison has no meaning to me. Kuphendule ke bani? Kuphendule uTata uMseleku. Yo, guys, andiyazi sana. The captions uTata uMseleku azicingayo there by Instagram, ziyasibetha sonke thina esiblogayo. So abantu are just shook into yoba hayibo bhuti, and then you just nje ubhale igama uthi isende, like ulibhale nje as it is, awuhloniphisi nokuhloniphisa. Ithini into yakho? Someone must literally come and snatch your phone away from you, or else ininzi umonakalo mninzi osazokwenzeka because of as captions ozibhalayo. But some were saying, you know what, we are so happy that you are defending uSinemseleko. Kudala ke abantu bem-abuser online. Yes, siyayibona i-behavior yakhe into yoba injani, but that does not give online users to keep on basically bullying and abusing poor Sinemseleko. So yeah guys, nazo izitori eziyi-2 endiniphathele zona today. What are your thoughts guys? Ngiyacela mas engage and ngizonibona shortly. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye.